In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and verify your Coinbase account. So let's get started. First, open the Coinbase app on your mobile device. On the main screen, you will see different sign-in options. Since we are creating a new account from scratch, tap on Create Account. Now, enter your email address and tap on Continue. After that, Coinbase will send a verification code to your email. Check your email, copy the code, and enter it in the app. Next, you will need to create a password. Make sure your password has at least 8 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number, and at least one symbol. Once your password is ready, tap on Continue. After that, enter your first name and last name, then add your phone number. Coinbase may also ask you to complete a CAPTCHA, so go ahead and submit that as well. Next, Coinbase will send a verification code to your phone number. Enter the code to verify your phone. After this, you may need to complete identity verification. Coinbase may ask for proof of address, such as a bank statement, credit card statement, government-issued letter, or another supported document. Upload the required document and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once your information is reviewed and verified, you will be able to sign in and use your Coinbase account. That is how you can create and verify a Coinbase account. Thanks for watching.